guys, and welcome back to the Genius Life. Today I am making a cucumber, ginger, mint, lemon juice. It's going to be packed with nutrients. So first we're going to start off with adding 2 chopped cucumbers to our blender. So I've already pre-chopped and put my cucumbers in a bowl. You want to make sure that your cucumbers have seeds, you guys. Yes, I have seen them without seeds. Now I have, I would say about 2 tablespoons of mint I'm going to throw in there. And a nice big piece of ginger, maybe about 2 to 3 tablespoons worth of ginger. I also have a half of a lemon that I'm going to squeeze into the blender. Okay, now you just want to pretty much fill up your blender with as much water as it can take. I think mine is going to take about maybe 2 cups, 2.5 cups. If you're using a Vitamix, you can probably make a larger batch of this, but you just want to make sure that you're not diluting the cucumbers too much. So I would say use the recipe as noted. So you're going to do 2 cucumbers, a nice chunk of ginger, maybe 2 tablespoons, the lemon juice, as well as the mint, and about 2 cups of water, and double it if you're using a larger blender. And now it's time to use our nut milk bag and strain it. This is super easy, guys. Literally, it takes about 7 minutes from start to finish. Once you've already prepped your items, if you're a slow chopper, that's a whole nother story. But for me, it takes about 2 to 3 minutes to chop everything up and another 7 minutes to blend and strain it. And you can always use these fibers in anything. Like, I've actually taken the fibers from my carrot juice and used it to make a smoothie at another time. It's just that depending on how you're feeling, sometimes it's better to just have juice just to be easier on the digestion. Nothing better than some fresh juice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and leave a comment and let me know if you've ever had cucumber juice or whether you actually try it or not. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.